stop the rain. I went down to Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm. Caught up in the fable, I watched the tower grow. 5-year plans, a new deal, wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Singers playing, how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together, trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Hello mates, it's your old pal, Sir Steve, and we've got a great song here today for a tutorial, which you just heard, which was Who'll Stop the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival, or C.C.R. One of my 3 top favourite bands of all time, actually. After the Beatles and Neil Young and Crazy Horse, I would think I would put C.C.R. as my 3rd favourite group. Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah, it's a great tune. Again, I'll be playing it key of G. Now, granted, like I say, I'm tuned down a step, but the chords are the exact same as Fogerty would sing it, and that CCR did it, anyways. So we've got let's see, we've got a G, we've got a D, C, E minor, A minor, and a B minor. So and there's a couple of little riffs here and there that I'll show you next time. Anyways, I'll do a tutorial just on the sort of fill-ins that are in there with another guitar and that. Anyways, let's get it started on then. So we start off with a little intro, which is just... You go around that 4 times, and what you're doing is first you're hitting your B string or 2nd string, 3rd string open, and then your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, 1st string. So it's then to a D, quick D, E minor, and then from an E minor just a quick strum up, a back strum like. And put your finger back on the 3rd fret of the E string. So it's... twice, and then D, G, again, backwards. G. Long as I remember, so C, G. Rain, the see me coming back to a G. Clouds of mystery pouring, B minor. Then back to a C, confused. And then to a G, the ground. Okay? So we got long as I remember you coming down. Clouds of mystery pouring, confusion Then it goes, good man through the ages, just C and G. Tried to find the sun. Then it goes, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. And that last line is just, and I wonder, still I wonder, C, G, minor, who'll stop the rain. Then what, G again? Then I do that one time, then I go into, I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm. Caught up in a fable, I watched the towers grow. Right? So again, it's just back to the same thing you were doing at the beginning. You do that second time, so second verse, right? Then two. And then C, D, you had 5-year plans and U, D, oh sorry, G. Wrapped in golden chains, G. And then it's C, D, E minor, G, right? That's, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. I do that twice, and then I go into a, and that's where there's like that's the solo part. So basically all he's doing is going C, G, D, A minor, C, E minor, and G. Now, I do that little, at the end of the second verse, I go back into this. I do that a couple of times, and I go into this. But what you can do, if you want, is just go, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. So you can do it either way. Either strum out or just go right into that intro there, or that solo part. And then he goes into the final verse, and after he's done that, then he goes, so just do one strum. Heard the singers playing, another strum on the C. How we cheered for more, one from the G again, and start strumming. The crowd had rushed B minor, C to G, keep G, then C, G. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, D, wonder, E minor, who'll stop the rain, G. And it just fade out like this, like the intro. And that's it. So I hope it wasn't too difficult. Like I say, yeah, there's little riffs in there, throughout the song with the other guitar, just kind of picking through after a certain verses, and he'll do a couple of that's what it is. Sorry, and it's on a part of where he's singing, I believe, after caught up in the fable, and then wrapped in golden chains. Anyways, the parts in between there, so we'll go through that again next time, or when I get another chance on that too. But I'll definitely show you the like I said, the little fill-ins in there. So you'll have fun with those, anyways. All right then. Okay, well, in the meantime and in between time, it's your pal Sir Steve saying, keep on strumming, keep on picking, and remember, we're here to have fun. And may the good Lord be willing. We'll see you again next time. Until then, Sir Steve signing off from Coronation Street. Cheerio, mates.